All right, good people, this is my first stop right here. That dog, y'all see it right there? That's the first stop right there, y'all. We on Ferret Street. See if I can get that little street for y'all. When you come here, let me see. When you come here, you gotta come to the Ferret Street location. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me see. Look at the menu, bro. The menu is nasty, crazy. Good beer. That dog. That's what I'm getting right there, y'all. Yeah. That etouffee dog is banging. Banging, I'm telling y'all, etouffee dog. Good spot right there, y'all. Got that wings, y'all. Oh yeah. Those right there. That's legit. Lettuce wraps, y'all. You gotta fold that thing up. See that? That's good. That lettuce wrap is legit. Alright, y'all. Next is crawfish bread. Let y'all see that.
That got a real gun. That's security guard. You got a real gun.
That's good. It's good flavor. That bread is legit. That bread is good. To me, it's the bread.
Yep.
It ain't got enough crawfish on it. It's the bread. That's good. Crawfish bread, y'all. Yeah. 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 That's how they do it up in here. Up in here. Alright, y'all. I'm trying them red beans and rice. That mac and cheese is good. Got a little spicy to it. But it's right here. Let's try them red beans. See it? That's good, y'all. That's good. Oh yeah. They good. A little salt, but they good.
Need a little salt, but
they good.
I'm so scared of red.
All right, y'all, the chicken. If you ever been to Manchu in New Orleans, just give me Manchu vibes.
What?
I swear, oh God. And if you know anything about Manchu chicken, that shit fire. Oh, yes, Lord.
That's
Yes, Lord. Lamb chop. Okay, it's good. Now, if you don't like your lamb chops well done, you ain't gonna like it. But if you like yours dead twice, you're gonna love it. That's good. The char is really good. Really good. Morrows, y'all, check it out. All right, y'all. If I had to pick a side, red beans, mac and cheese, this right here, that mac and cheese, yeah. That's got that yeah in it. I can mess with that. It's spicy. They got that yeah in it. Yeah, that's my little yeah. I can eat this all day long. Yeah. It need a little salt, but everything need a little salt to me. But this, okay. But that, yeah. And that chicken right there, yeah. That right there is a winner. All right, y'all. The next spot is the Peach Cobbler Factory. Right here. We done had dinner, now we're gonna have the Peach Cobbler Factory, y'all. Stay tuned for the update. Oh wow, look at that shit. Yeah, boy. Yeah, this is what kind of peach cobblers we got. Mango peach.
Look, say peach and tea.
They getting them, man. These all the cobblers, yo. Good people, you cannot come to New Orleans without getting you a turkey neck. Look at them turkey necks, good people. Got a bag full of them boys. Look at that. Look at them turkey necks, people. I'll show y'all where I got them from later. But that right there, them boiled turkey necks, trust me, good eating. Just like this, people. Take that turkey neck. With them good jujus, all that good juice. Oh my God, look at that. Can you see the heat coming off that thing? Look at that. That's some good eating, y'all. Boiled turkey necks in New Orleans, y'all. Look at that.
I'll call you from downtown, so it's like, okay, let's go.
Oh yeah, that turkey neck, y'all. That turkey neck. Oh man, spicy too. That's all. Get big. Turkey wing. Let me tell y'all something about these turkey wings. That's some good eating down here in New Orleans, man. Yes, sir. Y'all, look at here. We in a flood in New Orleans, man. Put this on your bucket list when you visit New Orleans. Come when it's raining. Look at that. All right, y'all, we got two of them po' boys from Parkway. See that? I don't know which one this is. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. What is this? I'm not even, oh, this is oyster and shrimp. This is a half and half. Hope y'all can see. Oysters and shrimp. And so this one right here is a surf and turf. Tape open. This is the surf and turf right here. Roast beef and shrimp. Look at that. Oh man, and it's loaded. Y'all really can't see. Lighting is bad in here. Anyway, roast beef and shrimp. Yeah, boy. First time I bit it, I wasn't recording.
I'm thinking this is catfish, no, this is a piece of shrimp.
That's good. 50-50, surf and turf. Roast beef and shrimp. Let me see if I can find y'all some shrimp in here. Let me see if I can find shrimp. I know I'm picking it here with my fingers. There go a fried shrimp right there. Yes, sir. Roast beef and shrimp. Yes, sir. Look them up. Legit.
It's good. This was the catfish on this side.
Mm.
That's nice.
Y'all see the vibes, y'all? All right, y'all. What flavor is this?
Amaretto pineapple.
Amaretto pineapple, 1 gallon. Yeah, to go. That ain't the only one. We got another one in the refrigerator. Make sure y'all check out what's the name of this place? New Orleans Daiquiris. When you come to town. Yes, sir. Pineapple amaretto, y'all. Legit. In the morning, you gotta stop and get some coffee from right here, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'll show y'all where I'm at. St. Roch Market, man. Right across the street from the Peach Cobbler Factory. Right here on St. Claude, y'all. Make sure you check it out when you come to town. And I'll do a large right there. Right next to the French stall. They got a bunch of other restaurants in here as well. They're not open right now just for coffee. Make sure y'all check this place out. Yeah. St. Roch Market. Yeah, what? Yeah, dog, y'all, just to give you another look at inside St. Roch Market. It's beautiful in here. A lot of different shops. And of course, you gotta come to Mayhall, however you pronounce it. You get you a good drink. Got the goat head up there looking at you. Yeah, got it going on here. A bunch of different stuff, man. Locals. Make sure y'all check it out. Come get you a cabrita. Margarita with bubbles. Never heard of that. True statement right here, y'all. New Orleans live in you. Shut up.
That's what I did all night at Bobby's house. Don't light it, because you're going to ruin the taste of it. You don't listen to it. Don't inhale it.
I don't like it. Couldn't get it.
Look at it, y'all. Look at how she's putting that Parmesan on there. Look at that. Got that how you say it in New Orleans? That Parmesan. Yes, sir, baby. Chalk grilled oysters. Chalk grilled oysters.
Yeah, these are. But you eat them raw.
Oh, yes.
You want to taste them raw?
Sir.
I'm not gonna shooter come. You can see it. I'm not gonna taste
Look at that, y'all. Yes, sir.
Now put
Y'all, the best part is taking that bread and smothering in that right there. Oh boy. Oyster shooter, y'all. Oyster shooter.
You ready to order?
Yes, sir.
We're ready to order whenever you are. Yes.
I'm gonna take that to the head in a minute. Oh, thank you. Bit of that, B. Hit me a little with a little bit of that hot sauce. Yeah, a little more dab. Yeah, gotta put that hot sauce in there, y'all.
Wait,
Oh boy.
Recording, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Y'all starting up like chunks.
You don't chew it, you swallow it, baby. Yo, when you take that shooter, mix it up first. The best shit at the bottom, that's the cocktail sauce. All right, y'all. We about to try that weed at. This is my third, fourth time trying weed at. I ain't gonna say about the first few times, but we're gonna give them another go at it. We got 12 Wazams, or whatever you say, and 12 lemon pepper. Let me let y'all see what we got here. Those are the lemon pepper. And let's see what we got here. And we went to the Canal Street location, so y'all know. Well, we got 12 of them Wazams, 12 of them lemon peppers. Stay tuned. We that. My favorite is the Wazam. Yeah. The Wazam, got it going on. Lemon pepper, not bad. Need a little more lemon pepper. Check them out when y'all come to New Orleans. We that, Canal Street. Yeah, boy. Zimmerman's in New Orleans. If you've not had Zimmerman's garlic crabs, they're like marinated, like they are like delicious. Like the marinade that they use for these garlic crabs is like incredible. Like, I wish you could smell it.